Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Got a Clearpay gift card? Here's how to use it in just a few simple steps. First of all, make sure your favorite store accepts Clearpay gift cards. You can check the list in the Clearpay app or website. Shop as you normally would and add items to your cart, either online or in store. At checkout, select Clearpay as your payment option to proceed. Enter your Clearpay gift card details or scan the code to apply the balance to your purchase. If needed, pay the remaining balance using Clearpay's installment plan and complete your purchase. That's it. Enjoy your shopping with Clearpay gift cards. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.